Hey there, in this video I will show you how to use the rearrange and sort features to move your resource on a particular order. For example, I want this one events to be in the first on my appointment page. Right now, let me just refresh it. Right now first is basic demo, then meeting with CEO, and then the enterprise demo. Let's say if I want the enterprise demo should be on the first order. How to do this? Just go to the setting button and click on rearrange and sort, and then here drag and drop. For example, I want this one to be on the top, so I can drag and drop here in the first position, then click on the apply change. So the change has been applied and saved, and now just refresh your appointment page. So once the change has been applied, you will see that the enterprise demo will be on the first positions of your appointment page. Yeah, here the enterprise demo is now on the top of the list. So this is how you can, let's say you have 10 or 15 events and you want the maybe some popular events should be on the top of the page, or maybe on the last of the page. So you can customize it accordingly from this setting, and then rearrange and sort options. Just drag and drop from here, click on apply change, and then the change should be applied to your appointment page immediately.